friends, this is Mujahid from WMT Pro. Today we will going to show you how to transfer your domain name. Okay, this is my website, guys. You can see here oldworld.cf. This is my website. Now I'm going to open that one. You can see here I have block. This name is block, that's why this is test2, and I put welcome to old world. Hello world, this sample post. Now okay, this requirement, okay, I will type here. You need to buy new domain and hosting. So when you complete this, you can install. Would you like WordPress? So you can install WordPress. After that, you can check your new one. Okay, this is my another one. You can see here my new one, world. So I already buy another domain and hosting. So this page going to loading now. Okay, I have now two websites. This old one, this is new one. So I need to change this name to that website. So now I'm coming here and I'm going to choose copy this one, and I'm going to close this one. I'm going to go to setting, general, so you can see here CF, that one I think a GA. So I'm just need to copy this one. This one down. So I changed to here WordPress address URL, site address also. So after that I'm going to save this one. Okay, now you can see this one came to automatically. Okay, now I'm going to put my username and password, login. You can see here well.wp admin. Okay, now I'm going to check my post. Okay, this is only one here, and I'm going to okay, that's it. This is the way you can change your domain transfer. So when you complete that one, so after that you can open your cPanel and go to looking. You can see here redirect. It's mean like call forwarding, you know that one. So click that. So this is the website. So I'm going to alter. So which location need to redirect it? So I'm going to choose my new one. here. Okay, delete that. Okay, so when you're going to anyone was to enter, you can see here my new domain come out, I put my old one, so it's easy. And thanks for watching.